Yeah, I'm back with them hot balls. And you know I go real hard. I don't think you understand. Let me break it down for you. Slow me down if you think I went too hard. Cause I'm a female in the gang, girl. You ain't try again. Let the males do their thing. Sound crazy though, spit 5 inch every time I rip it up in the studio. Y'all really wanna step to me? Tell the talk, can you really do me? Let you go first, drop the mic, then apply. Whole crowd shook, standing still like, oh my god. Cause I'm a beast when I let it go. Pencil pad, draw the beat, then I'm on go mode. But I think you really feel me though. See your head bobbing, it's okay to really hate me though. Cause I'ma shine, do my thing, give them what they want. Competition, I don't really play no games. Make a freeze up, ice cube, baby, don't you drip. Every time I time for round 2. Cause I'm back and I'm better, don't make it to the top, slowing down, it's a no-go. I'ma go hard, every day's 55 balls, like a little clip, then shame. You wanna show, I'ma give it to you raw, uncut, suit up, cause I'm about to kill you. No weapon, I'll make your jaw drop, baby, pick it up, cause it's about to get even realer. I don't think they really understand. She a beast and she ain't playing. I'm a queen, wanna take the crown, let's go. It's on now, you want it, I got it, come get it, I'm with it, I'm here to smash all of you pros. That talking, just quit it, got flow, just spit it, I'm hearing, not listening though. Round 1, yeah, I'm in just flatline. Round 2, tongue twister, yeah, it's my time. Round 3, baby, can you just keep up? No matter anyway, baby, get your weight up. And I'm out.